Hello friends, welcome to another informative video. In this video we are gonna discuss about everything you must know about the Securities Exchange Board of India Recruitment 2020 for the post of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager for General Stream, Legal Stream, Information Technology Stream, Engineering Stream, Research Stream and Official Language Stream. Securities Exchange Board of India has released a total 147 vacancies for different streams as Grade A officer. SEBI Grade A is one of the most important examinations that give you a chance to serve in government sector. You can avail the official notification through the link given in the description, and I also added the link to apply online for the examination in the description. In this video, we are going to discuss about the important dates, vacancy details, exam pattern, salary structure and syllabus of SEBI Grade A Recruitment 2020. These are the important dates you must know about the recruitment. The online registration started on March 7, 2020 and it will close on May 31st, 2020. The closure for editing application details is on May 31st, 2020. The last date for printing your application is on June 15th, 2020. The online fee payment started on March 7, 2020 and it will end on May 31st, 2020. The Phase 1 examination will be held on July 4th, 2020 and the Phase 2 online examination will be held on August 23rd of this year. The interview date is not yet published. These are the vacancy details given. Total 147 vacancies are there and in general stream there is 80 vacancy, out of which 32 vacancies are for unreserved section. 22 vacancies are reserved for OBC and for SC category 12 vacancies are reserved. 6 vacancies are reserved for ST category and 8 vacancies are reserved for economically weaker section. The educational qualifications required to apply for the general streams are master's degree in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law, bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university, CA or CFA or CS or cost accountant. This is the vacancy distribution for the legal and information technology stream, and the educational qualification for the legal stream is a bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university or institute. The information technology stream needed a bachelor's degree in engineering, that means electrical or electronics and communication or information technology or computer science, or master's computer application or bachelor's degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification, minimum 2 years duration in computers or information technology. These are the vacancy details and educational qualification for the engineering civil stream, engineering electrical stream, research stream and official language stream. Next section, exam pattern. Mode of selection shall be a 3-stage process, that is Phase 1 online examination, Phase 2 online examination and interview. The Phase 1 examination consists of 2 papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is common for all streams, that is multiple choice questions on the subject general awareness, including some questions related to financial sector of easy to moderate difficulty level, English language, quantitative aptitude and test of reasoning. The time for the paper 1 is 60 minutes and it has maximum 100 mark. And the paper 2 for general stream consists of multiple choice questions on subjects commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, Companies Act and economics. The paper 2 for legal, information technology, engineering stream, official language stream consists of multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream. And for the research stream, the exam consists of multiple choices questions on subjects economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce. The time duration for paper 2 is 40 minutes and it consists of 100 marks. And the aggregate cutoff for the phase 1 online examination is 40%. Phase 2 online examination also consists of paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is common for all streams and it consists of descriptive test in English. For general stream, paper 2 of phase 2 exam consists of multiple choice questions on subjects commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, Companies Act and economics. For legal, engineering stream and official language stream, the paper 2 has multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to the stream. For the research stream, the paper 2 consists of multiple choice questions on subjects economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce. And phase 2 online examination also has an aggregate cutoff of 40%. There shall be a negative marking 1/4 of marks assigned to the question for paper 1 and paper 2 in phase 1. And the third stage is interview. Next is the salary structure of SEBI. SEBI, being one of the most popular and highly paying organizations, offer an attractive salary to those who are selected for the post of assistant manager under officer grade A. To become a SEBI grade A officer is a matter of pride for any aspirant looking for a career in the security market sector. SEBI not only provides a handsome salary but also entitled its employees with various allowances such as grade allowance, special allowance, dearness allowance, family allowance, local allowance, etc. SEBI grade A officer gets a salary of around rupees 1,07,000 per month without accommodation and rupees 73,000 with accommodation. The detailed syllabus for the examination is given in the pages 19 to 26 of the official notification. Everyone must check it and study well. These are the important things you must know about SEBI Recruitment 2020. If you had any suggestions about the video, please put it in the comment box. And if you like the video, please press the like button and share it to your friends. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.